To everyone student, here we are having a revision of exercise 3.3. Some of the question we will deal with this exercise, chapter number 6, square and square root. Monday onwards we will start chapter number 8, that is comparing quantity. Okay, so this Saturday is the last revision class from chapter number 6, 7. Okay, so here we are having the revision question first. What could be the possible ones digit of the square root of each of the following number? Here we are having the number 9801, isn't it? Then 99,856. These are the number we are having. Here it is asked that what could be the possible ones digit of the square root of each of the following. So dear student, as it is given that you have to find the square root, not to find it, here asked that what will be the, suppose if we are having a number 100, isn't it? It is asked to find the square of this number, square root of this 100. If we are going to find, we know that its number will be 10. Okay, clear? If it is asked to find the square root of 20, if it is asked to find the square root of 14, it will be how much? 2. Root 16 will be 4, isn't it? So the thing is that here, if it is asked to find the square root of any number, then whatever the answer comes, in that answer what will be its ones place value? समझ आया क्वेश्चन? And here it is said that अगर हम किसी नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करते हैं तो उस जो आंसर होगा स्क्वायर रूट का, उसका वंस प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगा, दैट इज आस्क्ड इन द क्वेश्चन. सो हियर we will go as shortcut method. Okay, for long division of for finding the long division method, it is little bit large. We will do large means solution ज़्यादा बड़ा हो जाएगा. So we will do a shortcut method, applying a shortcut method over here. So if you want to do that method, it's okay, no issue. 9801, you have to first find out the square root of this number. Okay, whatever the square root of this number you will get, that's ones digit you have to find out कि square root जो number है तुम्हारा 9801 का जो square root find करोगे प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से या लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड से या रिपीटेड सब्सट्रैक्शन मेथड से, ठीक है, कोई भी मेथड जब इसका स्क्वायर रूट आप फाइंड करेंगे तो उसमें जो आंसर रहेगा उसका वंस प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होगा, दैट इज ओनली द क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड. So either you can do by this shortcut method which is here on the screen, or can apply the any method like prime factorization method and find out. Okay, so here if we go through with the this method, that shortcut method, that the number ends with 1, then ones digit of the square root of that number may be 1 or 9. If any number means here what the number we are having, 9801 we are having. What is the ones place value? Ones place value is 1. So if any number ends with 1, so the square root of this number will be ones place value of the square root of this number will be 1 or 9. अगर कोई नंबर जो है उसका वंस प्लेस वैल्यू में 1 होता है तो उसका जो स्क्वायर रूट का आंसर होगा उसके वंस प्लेस में वैल्यू में 1 या 9 होगा. दैट इज ओके, अंडरस्टूड. सेकेंड, दैट इज 99,856. So as we don't know that the digit 99,856, ones digit is what? 6 is there. Ones digit is how much? 6 is there na. So in that case the square root of that number may be 4 or 6. Clear? So in this way you can apply the shortcut method. Here since it is given the two options like 1 9 4 6 1 9 or 5, and if you are going to apply the prime factorization method or long division method, only one answer you will get in that. Clear? In the next question we are having, without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely not perfect. That means here you have to find out such numbers which are not a perfect square. Okay, so without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely not a perfect square. So dear student, here we are having the number 153, 257, 408, 441. So here The perfect square of the numbers can ends with any of the perfect square, as I had given you already the definition. What is the definitions with that? Ends with means its unit place value. The perfect square numbers, if any numbers is ends with means if its ones place value will be 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Okay, 6 or 9, then that number will be a perfect square. Also we can say that a perfect square will end with the even number of zeros. So here how to say that? Here suppose we are having the number 153 has, what is the unit place value? Unit place value, that means ones place value is 3. If its ones place value is 3, that means it is not a perfect square, because whatever the numbers ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, that will be a perfect square. According to this, here is ones place value 3, so it is not a perfect square. Then if the number ends with 7, what is the perfect? It is also not a perfect square, because यहाँ पर तो उसका perfect square में 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 और 9 है, 7 है नहीं. Then again here we are having 8, that means it is not a perfect square. If we are having 1, that means it is a perfect square, because 1 is given over here. Okay, so in this way we will have the question number 2. Now moving toward the question number 3, here it is said that find the square root of 100 and 169 by repeated subtraction method. So dear student, in repeated subtraction method, what you have to do is you have to subtract the numbers with what? With the prime numbers. So prime numbers, or we can say that as odd numbers. So as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, isn't it? 9, 11, 13, then after you have to subtract it by 15, then 19, then 21. Okay, then the number next is 23, 29, 31. So whatever the numbers you are having, all the numbers will be subtracted by this. कोई भी नंबर हो, चाहे 100 हो, 169 हो, रिपीटेड सब्सट्रैक्शन मेथड ये बोलता है कि आपको इन्हीं नंबर्स से ही उसको माइनस करना स्टार्ट करना है. Okay, so let's see the solution for this. So here we are having, using the repeated subtraction method. In repeated subtraction method, we are going to subtract the number 100 and 169 by 1, 3, okay, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, then 15, 17, 19, okay, then 20, 1, 23, like this, dash dash, you have to subtract it. Now 100 will be subtracted with 1, it will be 99. 99 will be subtracted with 3, it will be 96. Now 96 will be subtracted with 5, it will be 91. 91 will be subtracted with 7, it will be 84. 84 will be subtracted with 9, it will be 75. 75 is subtracted with 11, it will be 64. 64 subtracted with 13, it will be 51. 51 subtracted with 15, it will be 36. 36 will be subtracted with 17, it will be 19. And 19 is subtracted with 9019, so 9019, so here the answer is 0. Now as we can see here, the number 100 becomes 0 while subtracting it with this above numbers, isn't it? So how many numbers involved to make 100 0? Means 100 को हमको तब तक सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है जब तक वो 0 ना जाए, और 0 लाने के लिए कितने स्टेप्स वहाँ पर इन्वॉल्व हुए हैं, उन स्टेप्स को काउंट करना है. तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 steps involved. Hence we can say that the square root of the 100 is 10. Number of steps, whatever the number of steps involved, that number of steps is only the answer for square root of 100. Similarly, we are going to see for 169. In 169, we are going to subtract again with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, then 15, 19, 21, 23. Like that we are going to subtract. और कब तक subtract करना है? जब तक आंसर आपका 0 ना आ जाए. And total number of steps is involved is 13. So what is the square root of 169? Number of steps involved is 30. So this is the square root of 169. Have you understood? So dear student, in this way you have to go through with all the steps. Now moving towards the next fourth question. Here find the square root of the following number by prime factorization method. So dear students, many times I had explained you the prime factorization method. Let's see once more. So here we are having the number 729. So here you can see the prime factorization method. Everybody know how to find the factors. How to find the factors? That's 729. How much it is? 729 comes in the table of 2 or not? No, it will not come. So let's see by the table of 3. So how many times it comes? It will become 243 times. Now 243 will comes in the table of 3 how many times? 81. 81 comes in the table of 3 how many times? 27. 27 comes in the table of 3 how many times? 9 times. And 9 comes in the table of 3 how many times? 3 times. Then 3 comes in the table of 3 how many times? 1 time. So you can see here the factors of the number 729 are 729 factors are 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So how many 3 are there? 2, 2, 4, 5, 6. 6 3's are there. So we can see that the factors of 729 is equals to, among the two pairs of the 3, 1 3 we will take out. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 into 3 into 3 will be 27. Clear? So what will be the prime factorization of this number? Will be 27. Clear? Moving toward the second part of the question, we are having here 400. As you know that what are the factors of 400, as it is an easy one, so directly we are moving towards its factors. Okay, so what are the factors of 400? So what are the factors of 400 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So these are the factors of 400, isn't it? So square root by finding square root of 400 by prime factorization method is, that is among two 2's we are going to take one of the two pairs, isn't it? So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 will 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 will be 20. So the square root of 400 will be equals to 20. Clear everyone? So dear student, in this way you have to do all the solutions of this exercise. It's a very easy exercise. Try to do with you. Clear? So for today dear student, thank you everyone.